Hey guys, today we are talking all about DiGize Vitality. This oil is a powerhouse essential oil, but also kind of a hidden gem. I don't know if people really realize how to use this oil, so hopefully this video is helpful. This is a blend of a lot of different essential oils. So we have a whole list that we're going to try to remember.
Let's do it. Let's say it.
We have tarragon, ginger, peppermint, and juniper.
Yes. There's fennel, lemongrass, patchouli, and anise. Right?
Yep, we got them all. So this oil is a vitality oil, which means that it's going to be used internally.
Yes.
So what's some of the benefits?
Okay, so you want to use it internally because it helps to cleanse and maintain a healthy digestive system.
So this is going to support your digestive system.
Yes.
This is an oil, we travel a lot on the road, and this is an oil that we never leave home without.
No.
So I will keep it in my carry-on, and anytime that I'm out and about eating at restaurants that I don't know or the foods that might be unfamiliar, I will just drop a drop of the DiGize Vitality under my tongue before I eat or after I eat, depending on how I'm feeling. But it's really easy to use and it's really convenient.
I sometimes love to just infuse my tea with it.
Oh, that's a great idea.
And some people use the DiGize 2 to 3 drops with a spoonful of honey and just take it after a meal as a sweet treat. And it has really good properties too because it's got DiGize.
Yeah, there's lots of ways to use it. I'll even in like desperate situations, I'll put a little bit in a glass of water at a restaurant. I'll just do like 2 or 3 drops and just chug it as fast as I can.
That's right.
So there's lots of ways. You can infuse water with it. You could take it in a capsule. That might be the easiest way to avoid the strong taste, but it's sometimes not the most convenient. So you have to do what works for you.
You want to use that with Essential Times 4 together.
Yeah.
They complement each other, for sure.
For sure.
Right after a meal, you take your enzymes and your DiGize, and you're good to go.
Perfect.
Definitely.
We also wanted to mention that we do have a DiGize, just the regular DiGize that's in a regular label. This is for topical aromatic use. More popularly for topical use.
Yes.
For sure. She was telling us that she keeps it in her diaper bag.
Oh yes, my baby has food insensitivities. So DiGize is our best friend when we're out, when we're not home. I also have my carrier oil in a little tube.
Perfect.
So I have a little bit of a V6. And I just rub it on her tummy and she's perfect.
That's a great idea. This oil does smell strong, so like she said, she'll put it on her little girl's belly with the carrier oil. Sometimes in desperate situations, again, I'll go into the restroom at a restaurant, and I'll just put a drop in my belly button and just rub it on. But sometimes people are a little bit. You worry about the smell because it is pretty strong.
But it's because you have all of these strong herbs in it, and if you put it at the bottom of your feet, if you're worried about the smell, bottom of your feet, you'll still get the benefits, and you don't have to worry about the smell getting too strong around you. So.
Totally. So this one isn't as popular to diffuse. We probably wouldn't recommend that unless you love the scent. But like we said, keep it in your purse. Keep it in your diaper bag. You can use this one under your tongue or to infuse your water. This one you can rub on topically.
That's right.
This is an awesome oil that you really should always have in your travel bag, out of the house, just to help to support that healthy digestive system.
This oil saved my life in December when I went back home to Dominican Republic.
Oh yeah.
And I just went to town with all of the foods. This was my go-to 100%.
So hopefully this cleared up some of the misconceptions about DiGize. If you guys have questions, comment below. And thanks so much for tuning in.
Bye.
See ya.